some that are...
Well,
hey,
where are we going?
St. George Island.
Woo!
I sounded a little country when I said that.
All right. First time going over this bridge for me.
You gonna hold your breath the whole time?
Huh?
You gonna hold your breath the whole time?
It's 4 miles. I would pass out. I'll see if I can get a good shot of the bridge here. Here we go.
Look, our car's a little short.
Right on. You can kind of see it a little bit up there. Looks like it loops back around. I'm assuming that's like a pier where people go walk. Cool. Look at that. Oh yeah, it loops all the way back around and then it goes up over there. Alright, so here's the island coming around after the 4 mile bridge. There's the lighthouse right there. I think we're gonna go down here and we're taking left and we go that direction on the island. Cool. That goes a ways down there, don't it?
Piggly Wiggly gas station. Oh. It is
On the island now.
At the stop sign, turn left onto East Gulf
Oh, we
Beach
got
Drive.
4 miles to drive. There's the lighthouse. In front of us.
Is it like functioning or is it just for aesthetics?
In 4.2 miles, arrive at Dr. Julian G. Bruce St. George Island State Park.
There's always people running near the beach. I don't trust those type of people.
St. George.
Those are the Airbnb houses right there.
VRBOs.
And they know that people are suckers for them. Poppy mid yawn.
What?
Poppy mid yawn.
What?
Poppy mid yawn.
Oh. I don't understand.
Put your hearing aids in.
Alright, let's listen to that again. Alright, so
Other than not being able to see the screen.
St. George Island. Right at the, I'm assuming we're at pretty close to probably the tip. I would think.
I just stopped.
And there's water over there, water over there. It's pretty incredible at this point. I wish we had some back. This is not actually, this is, okay. So this is St. George Island, but what's the name of the state park?
St. George Island State Park is what popped up on everything, but it's named after a doctor. I don't remember.
Yeah. Will you look that up real quick so I can say that to me or not? Just avoiding saying that.
Dr. Julian Bruce, St. George Island State Park.
Well, I have no idea where this road is taking us, but I hope it takes us out to the beach or
Heaven
just
somewhere.
Okay, all right. Okay, so filming 2 full videos is hard, but I like the fact that we have phones that are capable of filming really good quality.
They're better than our Canon, whatever it was, M50 that we had.
I think
Was that right?
that's exactly right. Yeah. I'm really starting to think here that
We're never gonna make it.
we're either never gonna make it or we're gonna make it just in time to me to get 1 photo and then that'd be it really.
It's probably meant for people who like jog.
But it was a, yeah, I think it's actually meant for people on bicycles. But the trip down here was 2.5 hours, right at 2.5 hours.
It didn't start feeling long until we got to like Alpha.
Yeah. When we got the Apalachicola National Forest going through there it takes it's a minute. That's the longest part of the drive in my opinion because
Try to take a nap.
you know, but I'm hoping that before the end of this video we'll make it to the road, into this road and be on the beach hopefully. If not, I don't really know what we're gonna do. I'm kind of nervous at this point.
Might have to hustle.
Yeah. So I think we're finally almost there. When Catherine's falling behind, you will come to find out that if we are anywhere but Disney, she will fall behind real quick when it comes to walking. Ain't that right?
just glad I'm here.
Oh my goodness, I'm just giving you a hard time. What you talking about?
I'm gonna take my Excedrin.
Oh, when did you take it?
I just took it again. That was my second dose.
Today? You said the first dose.
So,
Holy crap.
yeah, hold on.
So this is, I don't think I've ever had this bag on any of our videos, but film this bag real quick. Hang on.
Here's the bag in question.
It's an F-stopper. The company's F-stopper or F-stop. I can't remember. For some reason, I've always wanted to call this bag the tilapia, even though I know that's not what it is. I have to do some research to find out exactly what it's called. But
He got so excited yesterday because one of the guys that he watches on YouTube
had it.
has it now.
Well, we just passed a man on a bicycle going the opposite direction. We're still going forwards. And we asked him how much further we had. He said he didn't know. He didn't go all the way. And he was on a bicycle. So, we may not be getting to the end, but I just want to get one photo. That's the reason why we came here.
We have, hold on. It's actually getting warmer. The further
Yeah.
out here we get.
Yeah.
4:22.
We need to be walking backwards by about 4:50. Yeah, probably. So.
Also, this is the first video taken of my hair coming.
Oh yeah. Just talk about it. It's
All
not.
black.
It's not green anymore.
Nope. I was gonna try to go for brown, but my hair kind of is weird about bleach. So as soon as she put the brown to cancel out the green on, guess what? She went back to her ways.
Back to her ways.
Yeah, it's black again. So it may lighten up a little bit, but I'm glad. I needed a change. I've had green hair for almost a year now, so.
Yeah. So, all right. Okay, so update. Like Catherine's back there. We got off the trail. There's a little pathway that we can walk to the actual water. That's what we're doing. And we're gonna share that when we get there. Hopefully, I can take a photo. I took one film photo, but that won't be back for, I have 9 photos left on that roll. And it'll be a while before I get that back, so. But, what do you think so far?
It's beach. Love for it to be like June and lay out.
Yeah,
Nice and relaxing out here.
we wouldn't have walked that far in June. There's no way. Not without a dang bladder pack or something.
We got those Disney fans. We just bring them.
Oh yeah. Wow, look at this. Holy crap. So we finally made it. Obviously we could have probably went further down that way, but we gotta make it back. I'm hoping that somewhere here and back there we can.
It's not that bad.
That's what I'm saying.
It's hard.
Yeah. It's nice though. Off came the sweater. She done got hot.
I never get to wear long sleeve stuff.
Take the opportunity when you can. Well, this is, wow. It's definitely more pristine. Well, I say pristine, but just, there's nothing here. It's like the beach with just no restaurants or anything. Yeah. Houses, because look, so like here's the water, and then here's behind it.
And then on the other side of that,
It's just water. There's no buildings right there, or nothing.
That's where the trees are.
It's great. Fantastic. I think it's a bird.
It's a big freaking bird, dude.
They got big feet. What's this show?
So impressive how big it is.
Turn it around.
I wish it was the whole thing.
Wow. So we're almost back to the buildings. They're right there.
Okay.
What?
You swim in that water, you would be dead.
It's cold?
No, the riptide.
Oh, yeah. Pretty rough right now. Pretty rough right now. So would you ever come back here?
Yes, I would like to come like in April. I think that would be a good month.
Yeah. I'd like to come back here several times and take some photos.
April's like really warm. It's another big one. But it's not like, I wouldn't want to do July or August.
Yeah.
Probably.
It is. So we just stopped and got an image of mine from my other video, and I can share it on here too. So now the sun comes back out, doesn't it? I think it looks a little better though than when I had it before. A little more of like a subtle light. Anyway, all right. So the trail that we were walking on was behind these dunes, and you could hear the water, but you couldn't see it. So this is a little better in my opinion. Walking on this side of the water. She is, Lily Catherine, is my camera woman for my other video. She's doing a fabulous job. Alright, we're almost back. There's the buildings right down there. So, get her getting the shots. So Malia Catherine just informed me that, who is this? TikTok? This is a TikTok account where they go snorkeling in the Everglades. Now, I have a dream of mine, I guess you'd say, that I would have to go to the Everglades to be able to take photos there to complete the project. And she just told me that these people go snorkeling there, and deep in it, she says. And the people will record anacondas or boas, whatever they are, the big snake that's down there, just going right beside them, just swimming right along through the water right beside them. He'll be swimming and he'll push gators out of the way. Get the flip out of here, man. I think I might have changed my mind about going to the Everglades.
It's so pretty though. Like,
It is.
A lot of greenery and a lot of birds that we don't see very often.
Yeah. And also, for that project, I would love, it's one of the best places in Florida to do star night photography.
I also want to go down south to see like chameleons. I know they're an invasive species,
Yeah.
but you can see chameleons like in the wild. I want to see one. They're really like they're big, but
Are they?
oh my god, yeah, they hiss like a cat.
I'm not. Some people are afraid of spiders.
Or iguanas.
Some people are afraid of spiders. Some people are afraid of snakes. Mine is lizards.
I want to see an iguana walking across the street in Miami.
You want to say what?
An iguana walking across the street in Miami.
Yeah, I'll turn the RAV around and we'll go to the house. So we're back in the car now. My Catherine's gonna drive because I'm probably gonna get out and take a photo. So there's some beautiful, you can kind of see them behind us, dunes here. Oh, it's really awkward. I don't know which way to go. Anyway, and we're gonna try and find some.
Crazy.
I try and find a shot on the way out. Then we gotta get something to eat. So here are the dunes. They look beautiful in this light right now, but we were just looking at this random, I wonder if that's like a dock or a pier from somewhere down on the water when Hurricane Michael came, and that's just where it landed. And they can't go get it. I don't know exactly what happened with it.
How pretty the sand is.
I know, it's beautiful. So we're officially out of the park. I'm going to be returning at some point, hopefully to go camping. Maybe Malia Catherine will come back during the summertime when we can just go to the beach. Maybe, I don't know.
Way out.
Yeah.
An egg.
And there's a lot of photos that I'm excited about taking, but I just need a longer lens because we can't walk to the areas. You have to shoot them from the road, and they're pretty good ways out. So. But they're possible. So where are we going to eat?
The Blue Parrot.
The Blue Parrot. Hopefully we're going to eat on the dock that's over the water.
Also got a new lipstick on. I'm trying out some more less pigmented lipstick. This is an e.l.f. one. It's got a little hydrating thing. Because I hear a bunch of reviews about that Clinique Black Honey, but it wasn't in stock on Ulta, so I was trying some that were like dupes. Found one that sucked, and then one's a little too purple for me, so I like this one.
Alright, so we'll catch back up when we get to the Blue Parrot. This is a nice little sunset view. Lighthouse. Out right at the Blue Parrot. There's the parrot. She said, I'm gonna get an appetizer. Coors Light, 6-pack. Hot sauces. What did you get?
Virgin mango daiquiri. I really have been liking mango a lot lately.
It's good. Okay, cheeseburger. What do you got? What is that?
The chicken with pineapple, my favorite. I get from the Mexican restaurant. Oh, El Pollo Loco.
What's that? What the drink was? The mango?
Mango. Virgin mango daiquiri. Yeah, I think it's like some cream, some sort of cream. Like, now we're out here on this side, looking at the cream.
We got some bread pudding.
I'm trying to have an Ohana experience here. You didn't think I was gonna like that?